This video will demonstrate how to create a new TRIOS order. Type in the name of the patient in the patient search field. If the patient already exists, the patient will appear in the list just below the search field. Select the patient. If the patient does not yet exist, the search list will be empty. In this case, click the New Patient button and complete the patient registration. Click on the New Case button. Select Lab. Now you can see the order form. There are a number of indications to choose from, depending on which lab has been selected. Select a tooth. Then select the indication you need. And fill in the specifics, for example, material and shade. Options will vary depending on the type of restoration selected. Set the delivery date by clicking the Delivery Date button. You can add a pre-preparation scan by pressing the Pre-preparation button. Make sure to do so before starting scanning. You can add comments to the order. Press the blue plus icon to add patient images or attachments. Use the View button in the lower left corner to see a printable version of the order.
Now you are ready to proceed to the scan page. See the videos related to scanning. Now you know how to create a new order. Thank you for watching.